when forced to rest. Let them comment of my cold behavior. Beauty has a price that's paid by greed. Where I am, I will stand alone. I don't need the money, I don't want it for much. These two hands, never will they moan. I'd rather you not love me before you want too much. Traveling, I do forget every single last regret. Solitarily, there is one quest. To my cause, I will devote all my passion, note for note, to create and fill this emptiness. Freedom that lies underneath, let it fall and let them breathe. Bodies are not meant to be so bound. I'm the dancer of the dance, let the socialites advance. Let them love me when I'm not around. When they speak their words of my demeanor, I will let them fuel what they fire. Where I am, I will stand alone. I don't need the money, I don't want it for much. These two hands, never will they moan. I'd rather you not love me before you want too much. Fading as I live in isolation. Information spreads that I have left. For them, let it be